folks. Ugh, sorry. Every time I swear I start a video, I end up yawning or coughing. This video, I'm going to take these things. Probably use a piece of tooling I really don't have to see if it fits there anyway. I'm going to use a tool and see if this fits in the tool first, and then I'm going to I'm making a set of rails so I can run my router in between here across a router sled like this, so I can route off the top of a piece of pine. If you don't know or haven't been watching, I cut these up in a previous video, shaved them off so I don't cut myself. I'm going to put two boards on the end so they are parallel like this. One board, a board attaching this side to keep on each side so it'll remain flat. And you pop your router in the middle. If you don't believe me, just go on YouTube and look up router sled. But anyway, I'm going to do this. It should be wide enough to fit on the box I'm making. If not, well, I'm screwed. Put it on there just so I can slide across the box and level one side of pine. And if you haven't been watching, I have 3 slabs of pine. One I got to cut down the middle, making the 2. And I want to flatten one side. I want to keep the sides. And then I got to cut a groove through another side of it so I can attach the legs. So I want to keep it like somewhat even. But I need one good flat side for the bench top. Or I just leave it around and be the suckiest bench ever. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what... I'm actually going to set up something, see if it works, then tape it. Or record it, tape it. What I mean, like the 70s, I'm going to tape a video. We don't use tape anymore. That's why our history is going to be erased one day. Nothing's recorded. It's just, there was people here and they made tombstones. That was it. Stay tuned. I'm going to stitch these together, so just keep watching. All right, folks, I'm back. What am I doing? I'm using could use a drill, use a drill press, but I'm using something else. This is right here. This thing right here is a Roper Whitney 20-ton punch. See if I can get this thing there. It's a 20-ton hole puncher. And what I'm doing is, I made a stand for it. It's kind of got rusty, so I'm gonna wipe it down a little so it doesn't rust anymore. I never painted the stand. I just left it there, so I'm gonna rub it with some corrosion-resistant shit. Just give it a little wipe down so it doesn't get... And I made it from scrap. Does the job. I'll probably sandblast this when I get time. What it is, it just sits on there. But I took it out because I want to take what do you call it? Like this. There's a little thing in here that, if I have a flat screwdriver on here, I'll show you. Let me see. Let me move this back here. There's what it's called again? Punch bit in there. I gotta take out because I'm gonna be putting this bit in here. It's that size. I had to order another one. They still make all these things. This particular one is about 60 years old because, what do you call it? This is a Roper Whitney punch, and now I think it's made by, I don't know, somebody else. It's a Roper punch, I think. And they still make them, but it's not the exact same. This fucking thing's too wide. Not this one. This rack. So what you do is you take this out, and this is supposed to pop out. Supposed to. Like this. Isn't that out all the way? I don't remember how far it's supposed to go. Million screwdrivers in here. Million screwdrivers. Okay, there it is. There we go. It's just a little punch thing. Put this one in here. I don't remember if there's a notch. But anyway. It's just 3/16. They're about 45 to 50 bucks a piece, these things. I don't use it very often, but when I do, it's fun. Most fun I've had all year. So now, the trick is to get this out of here. This thing just, if I remember correctly, I haven't taken this apart in a while. Basically all it is a bolt in here. Like this, and It's a homemade stand. I know. I think I gotta take this out, drop it all down, and then do it. That's, I remember. I gotta take this out. This comes out here. So that last, and then we take this thing and drop it all the way down. And then there's a crescent wrench now. A croissant wrench. A croissant wrench to go in here. The big croissant. Will this work? Will it work? Don't think so. That one won't work. Will this one work? I said I was going to be prepared for this, and come on. How much you want to bet? This is too small. Yep. Jeez Louise. Why does this always do this? Was this it? Nope, that's not it. Holy caterpillar. What the hell? Yeah, I can't use one of those. I need something that's got. I need a big one. But I don't want to wreck the. Not using vice grips. I swear. There's a certain size wrench goes in here. It's a 1 inch. Thick. Is it 1 inch? There we go. It's 1 inch. Let's just put it up. There we go. Just goes on there lightly. And you unscrew it like this. Unscrewy. Comes out. Then you take it, lift it up, and there's the piece right there. Comes up. That's the other one. This thing is so much fun to use. I mean, it's not like playing baseball or anything, but mind you, I don't play baseball, so it is. I punched the thickest I've punched something is about a ½ inch. And they still sell these. They're about $600 just for this. The bar, the ratchet thing is more money. I think now they come with the stand, because they have some that are cast with the stand built in, and some are not. I don't think very many people use these. This is probably before drill bits became super cheap. I mean, now you can plasma cut things and all kinds of stuff. So it's really, but if you like old tech, cool things, this machine's really cool. So you can line up properly. Yeah, there we go. Lines up properly. I'm just gonna put 2 random holes in the end on both sides, so I can screw some stuff in there. Now let me see if I can get the thing close up. Stay tuned here. All right, folks. Now with this pipe thing here, what you can't really see, put it on the top. It's a little wobbly. I put this in there and just basically turn it with one hand, and it just pops a hole in it, just like that. And that little bolt is supposed to stop it from. Come on. Come out. There we go. And we'll do the other side. Do this side right here. I can almost do the aluminum without that bar on it. Yeah. Goes through. Push it down. Should pop it out. There we go. And you have a little tiny hole in it. It's pretty simple. What I'm doing doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be. I could level it and all this shit and line it up and whatnot, but just pop it. Come on, there we go. I don't want to bend this thing too much. I need it to be flat. So I'm gonna, maybe I'll use these little adjusters here. I just need them to hold it down. just enough. So when I punch it, there we go. Put it open more. Come on, there we go. Put it right there. Put a hole in it, like so. Ta-da! And ta-da! Now I gotta get it out of here. There we go. 1, 2. It's easier with stronger metals. Let me do one side first. I'll do the other side next. It's not this easy with metal. You have to use a bar, get some leverage on it. See, it doesn't. I bent the end. I don't want to bend the end. Go this side down. Pop a hole in there. Come on, get in there. Doesn't really fit perfectly, but it works. Ta-da, ta-da. There we go. Come on, stay in it. There's that one. I'm not lining it up because this thing I'm making hasn't to be perfect. Come on, get over there. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da. There we go. Sit down. Come on, stay down. There we go. Let me pause this and I'll show you. Where the hell's the pause button? Anyway, that was done. I punched, you can see, 2 holes in there and 2 holes in there. And on this side there's 2 holes. They're not lined up perfect. Now what I have to do is something else, which is always good to do. If I can find the right tool. Where is it? I had it in here. Okay. I always show this tool because to get the burr out of here, I'll show you. You got 2 options. This one I'll do this option where you take it and go gets the burr out of there. Gets it nice. Such a burring good time. Go to Amazon, these are like what? $10? Maybe 100 with tariffs now. Who knows? It's everybody's anti-China. There we go. That one's done. Oh. Still a little bit of a burr there. I don't feel like cutting my finger, so. Why is this thing? There we go. The other side. Can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Take the burrs out. This one's good for some things. It's not the greatest. You can buy like 100 little extra things on here, but it does the job. And my other one, which is also neat. So you got this type, standard. The head comes off. I think you just pull it back and it comes out. Just fine. And then on this one, you have this kind, where you just put it like that. This one actually works pretty good. I find in some cases it works a lot better. You just get on there and deburr. Just turn it. Where did I see this? On some YouTube channel ages ago. It's I don't know where they get a replacement bit. I don't even know if it comes out. Don't think so. I think it's a single-use tool. Like, use it until it's dead. But you're just using deburr stuff. I think I paid like $6 for it. Yeah, just put it in there. There we go. Oh, I still feel a little crunchy piece in there. And now I got all the burrs off. You have 2 choices. This kind or this kind. See? This one's good for different. This one's good for, you want to do wide things, you can do. This is small holes. Pretty good. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to keep working on this, so keep watching. I'm going to go get something. All right, folks. What I'm going to do, or I was going to do, but until I realized I don't have any batteries here, nor do I have a drill, but I Basically, I'm going to connect this on here, like so. And this, I had to go get a drill bit. And connect this on here, so I'll have a nice track. The track in between is 6 3/4, so I can run the, mind you, there's still the flat spot in the thing, so I can run the router back and forth in the track, stays level, and I can move it all around, like move it this way, and I can run it like this way. So that should do it. How good this will hold together, I have no idea, but I'm probably gonna try to do it tomorrow. I'll put this together, and I have a kind of a fake, like, I don't know. I made like this workbench out of, let me turn my phone around, hold on. I made sorry about that. I made a like an outdoor platform. It's just got 2x6s, like a square with legs, just so I could take apart the lawnmower thing. And I realized if I put the logs on that, put the log on it, make my box to sit on, I'll level it, get it nice and sturdy, level it, and I'll go over with the router. If it doesn't come out perfect, doesn't have to. It's a bench for the kids. I just got to do one top side. I might do the bottom and try to get both sides flat. It's going to take forever because I don't know how many drill bits. I don't know how many router bits I'm going to need. Plus, I had to dig out my router, but I'm going to finish the video and show you what I'm doing. I'll make a small little addition on it. But I just wanted to make a video showing how I'm making a router sled. Basically, 2 scrap blocks of wood. I think these are like maple or something. You can see there's a nice grain in it. I think these are. I think this is an old chair. Why is it an old chair? Because I like to cut up old chairs. And if you look at some of my older videos, that back corner is about a maybe 6x8 little square in my garage. It's just a little woodworking section. Fortunately, all the woodworking tools are all at the house because I've been using them. So with that said, I'll have a little router sled, and this will be all c'est bon. So, but I have to remember to take my, I have to remember I need, what are they called? I had to pre-drill them. So anyway, you'll see it. If you go back to my, there's a video selection here called Kitchen Bench. And I made it came out really nice. I'm impressed that I actually did that good of a job. The painting was hard. I had a hard time painting it. It's just cleaning up metal and painting it and whatever, but it's in my kitchen. It's like the best thing. It's probably the best little piece of furniture I ever made. So I'm going to try to measure the legs and get all that straightened out and get the same height. My daughter loves it and she wants to steal it, but she's not. She can't have it till I drop dead. So with that said, hope you liked the video, and stay tuned. I'm going to try to finish this. Tomorrow I'll try to make some more videos. And sorry I can't finish it. I thought I had all the tools here, but at least I got some of it done. So thanks for watching. Or if I can, I'll try to splice this in here. If I do splice in, you'll never notice. Or you will, you'll have to keep watching.